Propane regulator safety, essential cleaning tips.
Hello and welcome to our guide on the safety precautions to take when cleaning a propane regulator. Your safety is of utmost importance, so before embarking on this task, there are several measures you should bear in mind. We will walk you through these essential steps to ensure your cleaning process is smooth and safe.
What is a propane regulator and why clean it?
A propane regulator controls the gas pressure from a propane tank to your appliances, ensuring a consistent and appropriate gas flow. Over time, it can accumulate debris or even suffer damage, causing a disruption in your propane supply. Regular cleaning can help maintain its performance, but it's crucial to do it safely.
What are the risks?
Cleaning a propane regulator isn't inherently dangerous, but it does involve working with a gas that can be hazardous if not handled properly. Potential risks include gas leaks, fire, explosion, or even bodily injury. Therefore, understanding and mitigating these risks is essential.
Pre-cleaning safety measures.
Before you begin cleaning the regulator, ensure you've taken these precautions. 1. Turn off the gas supply. Always turn off the gas at the source before working on the regulator. This eliminates the risk of gas leaks during the cleaning process. 2. Ventilate the area. Ensure you're working in a well-ventilated space. This reduces the chance of gas buildup, which can be harmful or potentially explosive. 3. Use the correct tools. Use non-sparking tools when working with propane regulators to avoid accidental ignition. 4. Wear protective equipment. Safety goggles, gloves, and long sleeves can protect you from accidental harm.
During the cleaning.
While cleaning the propane regulator, remember to 1. Avoid aggressive cleaning techniques. Don't apply too much force or use abrasive cleaning materials, as this can damage the regulator. 2. Watch for leaks. If you smell gas or hear a hissing noise, stop what you're doing immediately. You might have a leak. 3. Never use flammable substances. When cleaning, never use flammable substances such as gasoline or alcohol. Use a mild, non-abrasive detergent instead.
Post-cleaning safety measures.
After cleaning, make sure to 1. Inspect the regulator. Look for signs of damage or wear. If you notice any, it's best to replace the regulator. 2. Test for leaks. Once everything is reassembled and the gas is turned back on, use a soapy water solution to check for leaks. Never use a lighter or match. Cleaning your propane regulator is a necessary task for maintaining efficient and safe operation of your propane appliances. By following these safety measures, you can ensure the process is safe and effective. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to consult with a professional. We hope you found this guide helpful, and thanks for watching.